what if the couple are married and they want to improve their communication? This is, when it comes to marriage, if you don't marry finish, some kind of things they hard. You understand? I don't say this one go hard, but you know, because you know if you run away now. Do you understand? Once you don't do marriage, you know if you run away, you go face them. So one of the things that you can do if you want to improve your communication skill, you want to, not your communication skill, you want to improve the communication within a husband and a wife, right? Is the fact that the person who want to initiate it, the person who have come to know about communication, that person must improve their communication skills. A lot of thoughts are running in my mind and I don't want to say them. Let me process them properly so that they will come out refined. When you hear me say things like, I can talk to any girl, the reason that thing triggers lady and they get pissed off is because they have not seen anybody who communicates like that. Their boyfriends don't talk with that level of certainty and confidence. Their husbands and their brothers don't do so, including their dad. So they're thinking, who talks like this? That's what the agitation is about. But you see, imagine someone like me now. Then I now go to marry somebody that does not appreciate my confidence level. Problem has started. It's not because the person is bad. The person is a good person. It's just that the person's level of confidence, the person have not come home with my level of confidence. This one are pride. This one are ego. This one are show off. That's how the person considers. Meanwhile, there are other people say, I like your confidence or more. I like the way you talk. You are so bold. That's what gets to me. And now those kind of people are supposed to marry. When go they happy when they hear me talk? Now, how does that relate to marriage? When you want to improve your communication skill with somebody, anybody at all, the first thing to do is to study that person. How do you study the person? By asking 1 million questions. I'll say it again. It's just the way they asked Jesus, how many times will we forgive? And Jesus said 70 times 7. The reason Jesus said so is because he knows that you cannot count it. You cannot say forgive 1, forgive 2. That's why I just said 1 million. You will ask 1 million questions. Why? If the person does something, your husband, your wife does something, don't assume. Find out, why did you do that thing? Ask questions. Make sure, no matter how angry you are, make sure you are so innocent. Be like a baby. Ask, the way a baby will say, Daddy, why is this thing here? You now say, oh, it's the government that put it there. Why did the government put it there? Sometimes as a dad, you now say, it's true, I've never thought about it. It's like that. So you ask the person question. For example, I know some smart girls on this internet. Do you know what they do? When they meet me, they start asking me questions. I'll just be laughing. Because I'm a good communicator. I know what they are doing. They want to know me. Whether they're interested in dating me or marrying me or not, they want to know me. I know the intent is to know me. So they're asking questions. If this is, did you say this? If this, I heard you say this. I know what they are doing. And guess what? Good opportunity for me because I know what they are doing. I will explain to them. I will tell them. And I'm using it to also educate others. So until you start asking that person question, you cannot have good communication. No? Because when you ask them question, when they give you answer, you take note of the answer. Next time, when you ask again, you will discover, because you are doing it intentionally, you will now discover that the answer they gave you last week is the answer they gave you 3 months ago, is the answer they gave you now. Meaning that if you ask again, it's the same thing. You do not dawn on you that, so I'm the one that have not been listening. I'm the one that have been misunderstanding the person. So the first thing is ask questions. Then, number 2, listen to the answer. Listen to the answer. Okay. I will do this last video, and that's all I will say about this matter.